It was hot this weekend. I hope you were outside today or yesterday, because you should have been feeling hot, hot, hot. So, lucky for you, I have something wrong with my computer and it will not let me make a very long recording. So, I'm going to be going off in Miss Palermo fashion super fast. Learning target of the week, I can represent data and its variability through a box plot. Yep, we're going to move on to box plots this week. Another thing that you need to know for data. Now, quick preview. We'll have the screencast that you're watching now, which I'm trying to go as quickly as I can. You'll have a quick review, rates and ratios, which you've already done. I assigned a new assignment, IXL, our bullet point. That's your review. And then we'll go into the new learning opportunities, and everything is outlined for you in order. Make sure you complete the new opportunities that are required in order. It will get very, very confusing for you if you do not do it in order. So I appreciate your time today. Happy Sunday. I hope everybody had a great weekend. I did. I got sprayed by the hose today, took a few bike rides, and I was feeling hot, hot, hot. Peace out, Cluster One. You guys rock. I miss you. I'll see you on Zoom this week. Every day.